Wow, who does not like tortillas? I discovered the best tortillas recipe ever. Hello Keto Mountain community. I am Karima and welcome back to my kitchen. If you are going to make keto a lifestyle and stay on it for long term, then you need a variety. Tortillas are the ultimate flex food. You can stuff them with anything you can imagine. Now, why is my tortilla recipe so good? The secret is lupine beans, which give them a great bready flavor and consistency. They are much better than anything you can buy from the store. I get my lupine beans from Migros. And let me show you the other product I am using and where I get it from. I have here almond flour, psyllium husk, and flaxseed. I put the affiliate links down below. If you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel and hit this notification bell so you don't miss anything. For this recipe we will need garlic powder, onion powder, lupine beans, salt, baking powder, psyllium husk, almond flour, flaxseed golden. Then we have water here, avocado oil or your olive oil, and then we have apple cider vinegar. I will put the recipe down below in English and in German as well in info box. Let's start with our water. Combine 200 milliliter cold water and 230 milliliter hot water. In a blender, put your 200 grams lupine beans and the water and mix well until smooth and put it on the side. In a food processor, combine the dry ingredients: 200 grams of almond flour, 100 grams of golden flaxseed flour, 40 grams of psyllium husk powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Make sure everything is well combined. Then add your lupine water mix. I am adding here 1 tablespoon of avocado or olive oil and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and mix well until you get a nice dough. Mix your dough by hand for another minute to finish it off. Here we need to form our tortillas. Wrap it in a plastic and let it sit for 10 minutes. Depending how big your tortillas are, mine are medium small, about 14 pieces. Important is to keep your dough in a plastic so it does not dry out. Between two pieces of parchment paper, or like me, one parchment paper and one plastic wrap, so I can see what I am doing. Roll out each tortilla with a rolling pin so that it's round and flat. I have to admit, they are not nice and round like store-bought, but we are focusing here on the flavor, right? Put a frying pan on medium heat. Here I am using 3 pans to speed up the cooking process. Don't worry if your tortilla breaks. Just stick it together with your fingers. And cook each tortilla for about 2 minutes on each side until lightly browned.